How to use the brush tool in Photoshop. Open your project in Adobe Photoshop. Locate the brush tool in the Tools panel on the left side of the screen. It looks like a paintbrush. You can also press the B key to select it quickly. At the top of the Photoshop window, you'll see an option for the brush picker. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with different brush types. Select the brush you want to use. Once you've selected a brush, you can adjust its settings using the options bar at the top. Here, you can change the size, hardness, and opacity of the brush. For more advanced settings, open the Brush Settings panel by clicking on the icon next to the brush picker or by going to Window, then Brush Settings. The brush tool paints with the current foreground color. To change this color, click on the foreground color box in the Tools panel and choose a new color from the color picker. Click and drag your mouse over the canvas to start painting. You can create strokes, dots, or any pattern you like. Experiment with different brush strokes and pressures if you have a pressure-sensitive device. To keep your brush strokes separate from other elements, create a new layer by clicking the new layer icon at the bottom of the Layers panel or by pressing Ctrl-Shift-N. Make sure the new layer is selected when you start painting. And that's how you use the brush tool in Photoshop.